In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in CapCut PC. If you want to add titles, captions, or lower thirds to your videos, CapCut makes it very simple. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through 3 of the easiest ways to add text inside CapCut PC, and I'll also show you how to style that text so it looks much more polished on screen. Let's start with the first method, which is creating a custom static title. In the top left menu bar, click Text, then select Add Text. You'll see a default text option appear. Drag that down onto track 2, directly above your main video clip on the timeline. Placing it on the track above your footage ensures the text appears over your video instead of replacing it. Once the text clip is on the timeline, go to the top right Properties panel. Under Text and Basic, type your title, caption, or message. This is the best option when you want full control over exactly what the text says and where it appears. The second method is using pre-animated text templates. Back in the top left menu bar, click Text Templates. Here you can browse through different categories such as social media, titles, or vlog. These templates are useful if you want something more visually engaging without having to build the design from scratch. Hover over any template to preview the animation before adding it. When you find one you like, drag it down onto track 2. This is a quick way to instantly upgrade the look of your video and make the text feel more dynamic. Now that your text is added, the next step is styling it. Select the text clip on your timeline, then head over to the top right Properties panel. From here you can adjust the font to match your video style, scale up the size to make it easier to read, and choose a color that stands out clearly against your background. You can also add a bold shadow or a stroke to improve visibility, especially if your video has a busy or bright scene behind the text. If you want even more motion, click the Animation tab. This lets you make your text bounce, fade, or slide onto the screen. Small animations can make your titles feel more professional, but it's usually a good idea to keep them clean and readable so they don't distract from the main content. And that's it. Those are the easiest ways to add and customize text in CapCut PC.